do believe they falsely imprisoned. I do believe that, you know, they should be punished for what
They
they
falsely
did.
imprisoned me.
Right.
They violated my civil rights and legal second censure. They conspired to
That's
help
why
ruin my career. Right. They've caused significant emotional distress. As the judge said, this is one of the most voluminous cases. Right. How long has this man been on the bench? 5 decades?
Probably.
And in his words, and correct me if I'm wrong, he said this is. He asked you if you've ever seen anything as voluminous, lengthy.
He asked me if I had any 13 conferences on any cases, and I said I had cases that are older than the last. I have cases that are older than this, but we had 13 conferences. State court usually don't work that way, but I've had cases where there were voluminous injustices, or even longer. And even the case I'm going to now, where I had to try to get out of, is actually longer than this case.
Is it fair to say that he remarked this has been an extraordinary, lengthy, and voluminous case?
He did say it was lengthy.
Extraordinary was the word that he utilized.
Yeah.
Of extraordinarily voluminous. Right. So that being said, right, been back and forth for 4 years. Right. Extremely stressful. A lot of duress. Fighting for justice. Anderson v. Whole Foods.
Elite investigation.
In elite investigations, they've dragged this out for however many years, switched lawyers however many times, a whole bunch of substitutions and ways in which to silence me and deny me of my civil rights and my justice. But we're going to keep fighting. I'm going to fight this because what Whole Foods Inc. has done in Newark and conspired to do in so many other parts of the country has violated our civil rights. And in the words of the judge, right, drag things out to an extraordinary length to deny justice, right? And justice delayed is justice denied. But we are resilient and we will keep fighting and we will get justice, not just for us, but for you, because the people of America, the people of the world need to see that we weren't afraid to fight a $1 trillion corporation that created one of the longest cases in history, right? A civil rights claim at Whole Foods turns out to be one of the most voluminous, extraordinary long, dragged out cases in the history of this jurisdiction. And that's a damn shame what they've done.
And so we'll go to trial December 3rd. Thank you.